How's your first day, studio?
Ha ha ha! Not funny.
No more to your crazy director, got it? So, meaning is scene. I never seen this one before.
Yeah, what's this poor old lady in the shoe?
And I sold my socks at all the police of that woman. And for what? He was forcing those children to make shoes. I saw. They live in a shoe. They were fixing their roof. They look suspicious. Yeah. You still don't learn.
You're climbing up on the roof to see something.
I tell you, I see something. And I think it's a UFO. Yeah, it was only the cow jumping over the moon. Yeah, so why is the dish running away with the spoon? Ach, it's like talking to the brick house. You're going to sit right here and not bother the neighbor. Now you behave, yeah? Yeah.
Hey, Jasper. Where's Phil?
I told you, they put him to sleep.
The big sleep. The big sleep! The big sleep! The big sleep!
I can see my spy over here. There must be scene.
Gott im Himmel, what is that?
Are you done crazy? There's something wrong in the house. Yeah, you're crazy. Oh, give me that.
Enough! We are going over there and we will prove once and for all to this little piggy there's nothing going on.
Your goodness returns to Nickel.